With talk of trade tensions and global market spikes, plenty of Queenslanders are tonight very nervous. All the money they've worked hard for is about to be lost, but you can recession-proof your nest egg.
The markets are volatile.
We've definitely seen lots of ups and downs.
Global economic heavyweights are at war.
Trade tensions between China and the US have been quite prominent, but you also have other tensions, Brexit.
Queensland investors and retirees are on edge.
It's important to be calm, but not complacent.
Recession talk ramped up last week after American interest rates for 2-year government bonds jumped higher than for 10-year bonds. What does this mean? Well, the last time this happened was just prior to the 2007 global financial crisis. So how do you protect your superannuation? Olivia Maragna from Aspire Retire says check your super balance and portfolio quarterly if you're in or nearing retirement. Ensure you have enough cash within your super to draw your pension or living expenses from without having to touch shares.
If you've got that level of cash within your superannuation fund, it means that you're not actually having to sell growth investments at a bad time, and that's where people really make that big loss.
QSuper's incoming Chief Investment Officer Charles Woodhouse has 2 top tips. Remember, super is a long-term game, and diversify your portfolio to reduce exposure to any one particular risk.
So again, QSuper invests in not only shares, but also bonds, infrastructure, real estate, and private equity, with the idea that some of those asset classes may perform better than others if we move into a recessionary environment.
Opinion differs as to how big an impact a possible US recession would have on our property market and whether we could withstand the shock. But all advisors agree there's no better time to talk to your super fund to review your financial situation.
If you find that you're not sleeping at night, absolutely pick up the phone.
Alison Ariotti, 9 News.
Queensland is watching the #1 news hour.